Noah, you ready to get in your backpack? You ready to get in your backpack and go on a hike, Noah, Jojo?
First, let's let her walk.
No way. Mosquitoes are bad, and we knew they were going to be bad. Woo. Look at the mosquitoes. Jojo. You having fun hiking in your backpack, no Jojo? Look, you can walk on top of it. The water's inside of there. Is that cool or what?
Yeah, of course I think it's cool.
Of course he thinks it's cool. Beautiful hike, beautiful trail. Well, we made it up. My mom only barely. She was rock climbing today. hanging branch.
Here is not part of the trail.
Where are you guys headed?
You want to come? Come on. I'll take you. Come on, come down now. Dad, I'm going down here.
Pretty little spot though. Beautiful hike. Beautiful hike.
Super fun for climbing.
I don't know if Nana Tootie's had super fun climbing, but we've definitely done some climbing. Clark, he's swinging from a tree right now as we speak. Tarzan. Oh, it's a steep one. Let's see, can he make it?
Do you think I can make it?
Think so. I think it helps that your shorts are on back wade. It helps. More flexibility, more off-road flexibility. What the wheel? Let me see. You like it? Keeps your hair off your neck, right? I've been there, done that. The struggle thrill, isn't it, Max? Hashtag mullet life. He's already faster. peaceful hike. Go for a hike, they said. In the woods, they said. It'll be peaceful, they said. Have kids. Take them with you, they said. You'll miss this time, they said.
You just got me to hike with. Sing work all the time.
The bugs have been vicious. Absolutely vicious. The one thing you need to have on your list before you come here is bug spray. If you forget everything else, water, snacks, your kids, remember bug spray. Because boy, oh boy, are the bugs vicious here. The mosquitoes, look, let me show you Max's face.
Mom, where's my biofoot?
I don't know. Oh, it's at home. You're in the shed.
Look, let me see your bug bite on your face. Vicious bugs out here. These bugs out here, they ain't playing. Okay guys, I think we're gonna call this one done. It's been an awesome hike. Highly recommend this hike. Been beautiful, much prettier hike than the Benton Falls hike. Just meander along G Creek the whole time, I'm assuming is what it is. It's G Creek Falls is the name of the hike. I said the Blue Hole, but that is not what it's called. I was told that by someone at the campground. But yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Kids did great. My poor mom had to do some climbing. This was definitely a little bit tougher hike for her today. But all in all, we had a blast. My feet are killing me from these zero sandals, but it'll be worth it. It won't be long, I'll be out here barefoot. So anyways, I'm just kidding. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Most of all, you need to come out here and do the hike. If you find yourself in Benton, Ocoee area, Hiwassee Ocoee State Park is the name of it. G Creek Falls Trail. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yeah, we're in the Cherokee National Forest. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with all of your friends, and most importantly, get out and hike. So we will see all you stray dogs and alley cats in the next video. Peace.
What we call a boy bun.
That's funny. That's funny.
Now see how you like it off your neck. You like not having hair on your neck?
Yeah.
Look at me, Clark. He's like a normal kid again without your mullet. Hashtag mullet gang.
Papa, no. No, we don't want to go to the field, don't take mine. You. Matt, turn it off. Can I have it?